it's Kelsey.
And this is Cynthia.
And we're cousins. And today I'll be doing taste test with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 stuff. We got chubby. I got orange.
And I get yellow.
We got chocolate donut. She got sprinkles on her and I got plain. We have 2 chocolate chip cookies. We got this kind of biscuit. Nah, let's not taste that one. Okay, let's get started. So first thing we're gonna taste
It's mine.
donut. It's the donut. The cookie.
Yeah.
The cookie. So let's go. Only one piece we're gonna taste. Okay. That one. Taste piece. Taste piece.
Which one? This one? Okay. Yeah.
The other one is yours, eh? And not big piece. Break it like, yeah, that's enough. What about this? Okay, and 3, 2, 1. Definitely 8 thumbs up. Second thing, okay, we tasted this already. Second thing is the chubby. Of course, it's supposed to be tasting good. She's crazy.
I'm not crazy.
Okay, we taste that. Come on, let me taste our last but not least the donuts. Yes.
Yes, so last is what the donut.
Just open it like this and just take that piece. Got piece.
Got piece.
Ready?
Yeah.
Of course. Look at chocolate was on that. Okay guys, I hope you liked this video. Comment down below if you love all these stuff.
Thank you, and see you. Bye-bye.
Subscribe, like, hit that notification. Bye guys.